This head wrap is for beautiful ladies and beautiful women out there. So if you like something beautiful, why don't you join me and let's create something simple but still unique and very beautiful. So I'm using a yard and cara material with this cut out carton, which I'll be dipping in like this. Then I'll use my fabric, which is a material, to roll it up like tries. So that's the second roll up, and I'll go for the last one. After the third roll up like this, see the way I'm going to be placing it on my head. You see the way I turned it? Then I'll place it on my head like this. When you are placing this type of style, it's going to be very close to your eyebrows, very close, and it's going to be on your forehead. Okay, so I'm going to adjust it very well before I proceed to the back of the material. So I'm going to just cross the hand and take one round the other. That is what I'm doing. I'll take one part round the other and secure the excess. So I'm done with one part of the material, and I have the other one like this at the back. Now before I work with the one at the back, I'll try to adjust and amend all amendables at the front before I go for final design at the back. So what are we going to create with this one? I'll just raise it up and use my hand to press down like I'm dividing it into two equal parts with my hand. After the division, I'm going to release one part to be down like that, and this one I'll continue pleating down. After I pleated everything down, I will place it on the side like this and dip the excess in. Now can we see, dip the excess in and make it look so neat. Now I'm going to go for the last one at the back here. You know, I divided it into two, then just raise it up and dip the excess sideways, raise this one like this, and adjust all the adjustables. You see, we are done with this Zara cap. But before you leave your head wrap, even if it is not the style, make sure you touch all the touchables, arrange all arrangeables, and beautify all the beautifyingables. If there is anything like that, which I know there is nothing of such. So just make sure they all look nice, smart, unique, and beautiful as you are. So I'm done, ladies, and I think I need to add something to beautify it up more than this. So I added my broke to heat at the side like this, and I'm having this final look to be like this, which I love so much. So what are you going to say about this head wrap? Are you trying it out next time? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.